Love marriage allows individuals to choose their own partners and they happy in their families.
Okay.
Arranged marriage choose their family and lower lower divorce rate.
But love marriage is a powerful love because in love marriage, as a way, they are the two people who love each other and decided to get married. And in love marriage, your wife free to get the job, do the job, and she can go everywhere without permission. But in arranged marriage, she cannot go everywhere without permission. So love marriage is better than the arranged marriage.
Very good.
But the divorce rate percentage is higher than arranged marriage.
In the love marriage that we have seen that there the ratio of the divorce has been increased in the love marriage, but in the arranged marriage in comparison of the love marriage the ratio of divorce is less than it. Okay, very good.
But in the love marriage, partner are choose to our partner in ourselves and 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 know to our partner and like dislikes and the most important in love marriage to a self expectation and in the relationship.
The self-respect is very most important. In the love marriage we get the self-respect, we get the respect, but in the arranged marriage it does not happen. Okay, now what's your point? Yes, what's your point? You were saying something, Kana.
In the arranged marriage, ये gender and family background like value, quality, everything.
Okay, in the yes, very important point that Krishna has told that in the arranged marriage we have seen that we see nowadays that the partners are chosen by our family. That might be that is good as a wealth and as a respect, as quality. They have a lot of. They are settled family in the arranged marriage, but in love marriage, in the after falling in the love, girls decide that they just blindly love to the person, but in that blindly love, they do not think about their property. They don't deserve any another things. They do not discuss about that, right? And just they get married, and after that they find something that he doesn't have anything, and right now I have got married in the love that I have told that I will survive with you as you live, I will live with you, as you eat, I will eat that. But it does not happen in the arranged marriage. Parents think about that, and in arranged marriage that we prefer that, and the arranged marriage our parents decide that which person is suitable for you, which family is suitable for you. Yes, now your point.
Love marriage mainly based upon your love and strong attachment, so adjustment can be done easily.
Very good, very amazing point. That nowadays we are seeing that in the love marriage we just people are loving to the person, but in that we see that in love marriage the both couple love to each other. They have the attraction, attention. They have the respect of each other, right? And the most important part is that the understanding and compromise, right? They just compromise with some simple things. If there is any compromise, so they just do. But in the arranged marriage, this kind of things does not happen. Their parents have decided that you have to get married with her, but it happens that the groom, it means the boy does not like the girl, but they have to get married with her. And the girl does not like the boy, but they will have to get married with them. So this kind of things happen. That is a very amazing point. Now what's your point? Yes.
But arranged marriage can lead greater financial stability for the couple and let them secure their future.
Now this is very most important part that it secures the girl's life in the arranged marriage. Now that people think about that, the parents think about the girl, that financial development of the family of groom, they think about that. The boy is stable or not, they think about that. The family is stable or not, they think about that. But in love marriage it does not happen. The girl decided I want to get married with her. Either either he is jobless, either he is employee or not employed, that I don't care about that. I want to get married with her. Him, right? So this kind of things happens with it, right? So people suffer with it, right? After a time, after a duration, they see most of the things, they do not get the development and they do not get the proper things. Yes. So I am just supposed to agree with you. Now next.
In love marriage, couples become independent because they sometimes get spend time together.
Yes. Now people couple become independent. They are not dependent on the family, right? Because family does not support. The groom family is not supporting. They don't care. The girl's family is not supporting. They don't care. They are mature. After 18, they are capable to understand that what is the decision is correct for me. They just decide that the groom can earn, the bridal can earn, the girl can come, the boy can earn. They can earn a lot of money and they can decide their future by themselves, that whatever they want to do they can decide. They are settled in their themselves, that they are independent in the but it happens in the arranged marriage. It happens that they are dependent, the boy as well as the girl also dependent on the family. Their father-in-law is doing farming, right? They have got the property in their ancestors has given a lot of jameen and everything. This kind of things happen. So they are doing the farming and they are earning money. Now they both, girl and boy, both are depending on the farming. They don't have any business in the arranged marriage. But in the love marriage, we see that both couple are independent. Very amazing point. Yes.
In